Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set merchant category blocks and real-time spend alerts in Ramp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to set merchant category blocks on Ramp, you need to first of all go in Ramp and simply get logged in. So once you are in your Ramp account, you need to set merchant category chain blocks. So for this, you need to navigate to your card section. Once you're in your card section, you need to select a card or a fund and edit the card settings by clicking on action and tapping on edit. Now you need to find the spending controls and set category and vendor restrictions according to your preference and simply hit the save button. After you have done this, you can simply set up real-time spend alerts by navigating to the expenses policies. So once you're in the expenses policies, go to the spend guideline. Once you are in the spend guideline, create a new rule and define the alerts trigger. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.